Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One stands at the $0.15 mark, and according to TradingView the market is down by 9.26%, and today we have made it even to the $0.14 mark. So this is a very crucial moment for Harmony One, and we need to continue watching these key supports and resistances. And we have a key resistance on the $0.16 mark, and another key support on the $0.13 mark, and another key resistance on the $0.26 mark. And I think we are continuing seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction that I have over here. And to just give you a brief of what has been happening on the market, Harmony One started having higher prices from around the 22nd of July of 2021 in this Elliott wave pattern that I have over here, having a wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which took us to the all-time high on the $0.38 mark. And then from there we started seeing lower prices for Harmony One in this massive ABC correction, having a wave A, a wave B, and then a wave C, which took us to around the $0.15 mark. And I think what is happening at the moment is a continuation of this massive ABC correction that is over here, and today we have made it to around the $0.14 mark. And you can see over here, this is a value that we need to continue holding over here around the $0.16 mark, because you see, once we broke from the all-time high to the low we made on the $0.13 mark, we had a bounce back to the upper side and had some support on the $0.16 mark, then had a bounce back to the high that we made on the $0.37 mark, and from that high we had a pullback to the lower side to around the same zone on the $0.16 mark, and we found support there, then had a breakout to around the $0.23 mark. And then there's this other pullback that we have over here, and you can see today we have broken below the support that we had on the $0.26 mark, and this means that we could be headed to around the $0.13 mark, because once we lose that key support, that means we are unlocking even lower prices for Harmony One, and that could take us to around the $0.13 mark. And if that support does not hold, we can maybe drop to around the $0.1 to the $0.1 mark, and then from there I expect the price of Harmony One to have a bounce back to the upper side, because if we see the $0.1 mark, I think that would be a continuation of this ABC correction that we have over here. And by touching the $0.1 mark, I think the ABC correction have done whatever it needed to do in its massive ABC correction. So whatever Harmony One should give us on this other side can be a wave that can take us to an all-time high, and I can try and explain it in this Elliott wave pattern over here. It can take us in the wave 5 of this Elliott wave, might take us to a new high. So that's my key expectation that I expect to see on this chart. So for those that didn't catch Harmony One on this low, previous low on the $0.13 mark, this might be a chance for you to catch Harmony One once again. And that's not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. And also by going by the fact that Bitcoin is in a continuation of a massive sell-off, we can continue seeing lower prices for Harmony One, because Bitcoin is affecting all these other altcoins. So it's very likely for us to see a $0.13 mark Harmony One, and I think it's good that we continue watching these key supports and resistances over here on the $0.1516 mark. Also looking on the RSI For the daily RSI, we are almost in the overbought region. Also on the MACD, you can see we are just about to have a bearish cross, and if that happens, that would mean Harmony 1 is going to unlock even lower prices. Going into further analysis on the 4-hour chart, you can see that on the 4-hour chart, the daily candles have started closing below the $0.16 mark, where we have our key support. That means that could be confirming that we are breaking down to the lower side, and once that happens, the key expectation remains that we might touch the $0.13 mark. Also having a look on the RSI, we are almost in the overbought region, so maybe we might have a bounce back to the upper side, so that give us room for us to maybe even push the prices lower. Also having a look on the MACD, at some point yesterday we had a bearish cross, and from that point I think that's when we started seeing lower prices to the current price that we have at the moment. Also on the 4-hour chart, on the 1-hour chart, you can also see that we are continuing to see the 1-hour charts, the 1-hour candles close below the key support, so this could be confirming this breakout to the lower side. And also see that over here we have this on the 1-hour MACD, we have a bearish cross, and that means we could be unlocking even lower prices. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.